Hi there. So I got a request to do a little tutorial video of um, the paper folding process. So I'm trying to back this out so you can see the whole thing, and I will go ahead and do that for you. So um, I'm going to show you kind of what you're going to end up with. And this is from somebody else, but let me just finish this really quick. Okay, you're going to end up with a fold in each direction. And then what I end up doing with most of you is popping that out and gluing, and then you get your like three-dimensional stand-up guy. And so you just want to do all of these folds to get the right arrangement. So on a piece of paper, the easiest one to do first is the hot dog fold, and just keep it on the table. That's what I recommend for any origami. And what I recommended to all of you is to fold it and unfold it, fold it back the other way so that the crease is like really clean and it's there. Okay. And then in order to get the crisscross, we take this bottom edge and roll it up to where the bottom edge lines up with the side. And the key is to get that to go all the way to the corner, like really sharp crease right along here, but making everything line up and getting that crease to roll out there. On a piece of cardstock, you have to spend a little bit more time getting that set, line that up. But that's why I use the table. And then the same thing, go back on itself. Okay, so now we have one line going this way. And then what I have found is that people want to use the other edge, and then that messes them up. So we're going to use this like the same way, right? The same setup. Oops. This is how I had it before, like that. Okay. And then we're going to go the opposite this time. And now you have a crease, so you can kind of like line up the creases, and that one will make it so that this is the right length. And you just line up your edge, get your corner, get that set, and then make a really good crease and fold it back the other way as well. Okay, so now we need the horizontal line, and the horizontal line is going to be, the easiest way is to take these X's here and bring them up to these and make sure that the horizontal line goes right through that intersection. So if we bring those corners and we line them up with the other, where the X ends, and just kind of push it down in the middle, make sure it lines up where they all intersect, and then set your creases. And the same thing, kind of fold those backwards so that the crease is really easy. So you have this one X in the lower part of the paper, and then here, one down that middle from the hot dog fold, and then one from that like off center fold right there. Okay, so one of these needs to kind of pop out that way. So now that's why I make really good creases, because if you make really good creases, you can kind of turn it inside out on itself. So I take this guy right here, make sure that that's popping out the other way. Want to get it to pop out the opposite direction, and then pop it back so it's standing up. And this end, this whole thing can be glued, right? Or I'm going to show you something kind of creative. If you want to do a little something different, you can go like this, and you can actually make like a little pocket here, like if you wanted to have like an information card in there. Let's see. I'll show you how that works. So if I want to do a pocket, whoop, 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 there we go. I'm going to glue this part closed, but I don't want to glue the whole pocket closed, so I'm just going to glue right along this edge right here. See, just in that one side of the triangle. get everything set. And now I can put like a little information in a pocket there. And that's just another feature. You don't have to do that. Just some creative ways that you can use the 4-corner pop-up book, because now, we're going to have 4 of those that stand up together, and you'll see that that will work out. So once you glue it, though, like you're going to, that's when you see everybody carrying them around like this. You squish that, and that way you can hold it in something flat, or you squish it this way, but it gives you a little pop-up, and you're set to go.